What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today with a very exciting Samsung video for you guys, and today we're going to be talking about an unfortunate new feature that's coming to your Galaxy smartphone. I usually don't like making videos about things that I don't like that Samsung is doing, but I wanted to warn all of you guys because Samsung has partnered up with Glance AI to bring some brand new lock screen AI clothing ads slash, generated. I don't even know what to call it. But anyway, it doesn't seem good to me, and we're going to talk about it in this video. I'll tell you guys also how you should be able to turn it off of your lock screen when it arrives. It has not arrived for me yet, but we're going to get into that in this video. Before we get started, I want to make you guys remember to check out the website. Go to sammyguru.com, covering the latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, and reviews. You can be warned about things like this before I even drop a video on YouTube. We covered this over on June 4th when the news broke about Samsung including this in Galaxy phones starting this month. Also, if you're in the US, you get in our mystery box program. Tap that orange banner at the top, get a free case, cleaning kit, screen protector, desktop phone stand, other randomly inserted goodies in your box. All you have to do is order through our affiliate link. It's a way for us to give back by sharing our affiliate revenue. We cover all the shipping costs. We have them right now for S26 series, Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and the Watch 8. Tap on the device you're interested in, put in your phone number, email, or both. You'll get our affiliate link on launch day. I'll also give you the link early so you can make sure you order it before everybody else gets their pre-order in. You'll be able to get in there quickly. All you have to do is order, submit our verification form with your shipping address, and we ship it out. For the Unpacked launch in July, it'll be shipped out by the end of July to everybody who orders a new foldable or Galaxy Watch 8. That'll be in the pinned comment description if you're interested. So let's talk about this Glance AI deal. We wrote this up, and basically what it is, I'm going to show you the listing because it's on the Play Store already as well. It's basically a piece of software, an app that allows you to upload a selfie of you, and then it will show you yourself wearing a bunch of different clothing that you might want to buy, and it will appear on your lock screen. Now, Samsung and Glance say this is going to be strictly opt-in. It can be in the lock screen, and also you'll be able to get it in the Galaxy Store. So there'll be a couple places it will be starting June 4th for the S22, S23, S24, and S25 series. Now, I haven't seen it roll out on any of my S25 devices, S25 Ultras. I need to check some of my other phones, but I am running the One UI 8 beta on these devices, so that could be a reason. Curious if some of you guys have seen it. Glance uses Gemini and Imagen models to generate lifelike images of you in different outfits, basically turning you into an advertisement for these clothing companies, which I don't particularly like, but I don't think a lot of people are going to like this. It says, Glance AI is driven by a core human truth. We want to become the best versions of ourselves. Is the awareness of what's possible or access to platforms that enable this? I don't know if I'm buying any of that. Samsung Galaxy Store USA's head said, Glance AI is a perfect example of the kind of high quality and unique content we strive to deliver. By using AI to personalize content, shopping directly on the lock screen brings a smarter, more dynamic experience that reflects the forward-thinking spirit of the Galaxy Store. To me, it sounds like this is a good way to further speed up the death of the Galaxy Store, but that's a personal opinion. They've been experimenting with the lock screen content in India and Southeast Asia for a long time with news and entertainment. They said it's opt-in and currently free with no ads or subscriptions. I would hope you wouldn't make me have ads in addition to basically turning me into an ad for clothing. But their privacy policy has some things to be desired, including they store biometric data for like selfies for up to a year, which means they could potentially turn you into an ad and use it on other platforms. So if you actually look at their announcement, this is the Glance AI press release. It says they'll be rolling out to all models later this month. It is an app. And so if you scroll down, let's go down here. I'll show you really quickly. This is an app in the Play Store. Not that I suggest you should download it, but I'm just saying it's already available. It's just not yet integrated into One UI and on the lock screen and all that stuff. But this app actually has good reviews. I just can't tell if some of these potentially could be fake reviews. That's always a possibility, but it seems like some of them for me, if you read some of these reviews, they seem a little fake to me. But anyway, that's an opinion. You guys can read it and judge for yourself. They have some data policies that they say are good, but like I said, we dug in some of the fine print and they don't seem so great. You can see, their general ideas. Your AI lookbook put you in a bunch of different clothes, top brands, 15 fresh looks. Not something I would ever use on my lock screen, but there it is. I'll drop a link below if you guys want to see it. Now, the real question is, how can you turn this off from the lock screen? Supposedly it's going to be opt-in, but I do know where it's going to appear. So if you long press on the lock screen, go to Wallpaper and Style, and you go to Change Wallpapers. If you scroll down, Down here is where they have the dynamic lock screen and Samsung Global Goals, which are also these ones that alternate. This is where you're probably going to see this service show up, the Glance AI. Now, hopefully it will be turned off by default as Samsung says, but if it's not, you can come in here and make sure this is turned off to none, which is what I have now, and then you'll just be able to manually change your wallpaper like you always can. If you go to About Wallpaper Services, it does tell you kind of what this app does, and this app is something that Samsung uses to customize various things on your wallpaper and curate different content. There's a couple other places they could potentially hide things, so when it comes out, I'll certainly do a full kind of teardown of where they embedded this in One UI, and if there's any other things you need to turn off to make sure you get rid of this, because I'm imagining a lot of people probably don't want it, I'll let you guys know and make another video. Anyway, I'm curious what you guys think. Is this something you would use? Do you absolutely hate it? Which I kind of hate it. I would never use it. Let me know. Again, check out the website for all your latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, and reviews. If you guys are interested, check out the article. I'll drop it below. Mystery box program if you're buying an upcoming device. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.